Welcome to this quick guide to entering open class exhibits at the Adams County Fair. The first step is to visit our website at adams.extension.colostate.edu. On the lower right side of the page, there is a link to fair information. This will connect you to all of the 4-H and open class information. If you select the option Premium Book, it will show you all of the different categories that are available for exhibit at the Adams County Fair. Once you have decided what you are going to exhibit at the fair, you will use the FairEntry system to register. You will now need to create a FairEntry account. You can do so by selecting the link just below the blue Sign In button. Follow the on-screen instructions for entering your contact information and creating a password. You will then begin registration for the fair. Enter each individual family member that is going to participate in this year's fair. Be sure to include a good mailing address. Some winning exhibits may receive monetary awards. Checks for these awards will be sent to the address you provide here. Once you have all of the exhibitor names entered, you will then add your entries. Click the green button to the right of the name you want connected to the entries. Choose the correct department for your exhibit. You will then select the specific division and class where your item will compete. After you have made all of your entries, you will click the Continue to Payment button. This will show you the total amount for your entries and the instructions you will need to submit your payment. The final step in FairEntry is to accept the terms and submit your entries. A confirmation email will be sent with a breakdown of your invoice. Once the payment has been received, your entries will be approved. For more information or assistance with FairEntry, please contact the Adams County Extension Office. Good luck with your exhibit at the Adams County Fair.